We're going to read Tomorrow I'll Be Brave. Tomorrow I'll be adventurous. I'll play and I'll explore. I'll make or learn or try something I've never done before. Tomorrow I'll be strong. I'll climb and jump and run. It doesn't matter if I win as long as I have fun. Tomorrow I'll be smart. I'll think before I act. I'll solve a puzzle, read a book, and learn a fun new fact. Tomorrow I'll be curious. Please teach me something new. I'll ask why 1,000,000 times, maybe 1,000,000 too. Tomorrow I'll be creative. I'll color and draw for hours. I'll play a game of make-believe and use my magic powers. Tomorrow I'll be confident. I'll be proud of all I know. I'll stop and smile and think about how much you've helped me grow. Tomorrow I'll be brave. There's nothing I can't do. I won't be scared, but if I am, I know that I have you. Tomorrow I'll be all the things I tried to be today. And if I wasn't one of them, I know that it's okay. But tonight I'm very sleepy, so now it's time to rest. Tomorrow I'll be all these things, or at least I'll try my best. The end.